Kate and Dion here. All right, guys, I got a sick video for you guys today. It's gonna be fun. Reese, come here. Okay, so today we're gonna do dog versus human races, and we're gonna find out how fast I can actually run. Let's get it. All about the warm up. We gotta warm up because if we're gonna be racing, I need to be as fast as I can to run as fast as a dog. That means I need to be nimble like a dog, I need to think like a dog, and I need to be a dog. So I have to be able to bend these knees like he can. So we're just gonna do a set of lunges to warm up these joints. Oh yeah. Reese isn't warming that up at all, that's okay. Yeah, here we go.
Come on!
Go get him! Faster!
Tyson, faster! Okay, slow down.
Alright, so that was pretty close race. I think I almost beat him. So we're gonna try one more time. Yeah, go win! Let's go! What? Now we're gonna see how fast I can run. Hopefully I can run as fast as Usain Bolt. I think I can. Let's go. Let's try it.
Okay, stop, Kate.
Let's see if I can beat 21 miles per hour. What did I get? 24. All right, now we're gonna let Tyson run right here. This is Tyson. He's my girlfriend's little brother.
Hi.
I'm gonna see how fast he can run. I think he could probably beat me. Reese beat me. I think he's the alpha male on this one. Alright. Now, I don't know, we're gonna stretch. And it's probably the end of the video now. Before we actually go, I got my little sister here, Katrina, or Kat. She's really good at dancing and she's really good at stretching. So she's
I know.
She's gonna teach me how to do some stretches. She's gonna show Reese here how to stretch. And if you're wondering, this is a hoverboard. He's a pretty cool dog. He's a German breed. So that's why he's super fast and tough build. So yeah, so now let's do some stretches. Ready, Reese? What are we gonna do first, teacher Kat?
So get into the lunge.
Go down on the lunge.
And then you flip your leg inside.
Yeah.
So make sure your knee is like lined up with your heel.
Yeah, it feels
Try
good.
to sink down into your head.
Oh yeah.
And then turn yourself over. And then do the same with this leg.
Okay, Reese wants to go for a walk. We're stretching. Good boy, Reese.
And then you can flip over.
Okay.
And then kind of cross. And then push your leg over your knee.
Do it!
And then
I'm
flip
so
it
comfortable. Yeah.
and stretch your back. And then switch.
I can normally stretch a lot better, guys. It's pretty tight right now. This is perfect for him.
Okay.
This one's
Hold
easy. Do it! You hold for like 3.2 milliseconds. He said hold him.
Yeah, hold him. Hold the longest.
Can you do this? I bet you can't.
Can you do this? I bet you can't.
Did it.
Can you lean over? You grab both of your ankles and then twist your body to the front.
Okay, I'm not like some contortionist. Let's be honest.
Switch.
Are these beginner stretches or what are we doing here?
Kind of like an hour.
Do it! Hey,
If you do a lot of them, then you can like.
this is more for you beginners out there and me.
The 50.
Okay, I'm going to do a good old touch your toes stretch.
And also,
Because you can never go wrong with the touch your toes stretch.
they call
Achilles tendon.
yeah, that's the hamstring.
There you go, guys. That's just a few of stretches that you could try, and some expert and advanced stretches.
This one's good.
So I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Reese, come on. Let's go.
Good boy.
Come on.